Oh my god. Hey guys, oh my god, it's been an incredibly long time since I filmed a video. I don't know what's wrong with me. I just like to not have time to film with like all the other stuff going on. 2 weeks ago, I went on a vacation. The week after that, I had to go, or last week, let's say, I had to go to a camp for my new school, and it's just, oh, I haven't had time to film. I don't think I filmed for like over a month, which is not good. But anyways, I'm back and hopefully I'll be posting more frequently. But since I'm back, first let's get all the new updates in. Now I know some of these are going to be old. Here, so let's start off with about something that's sort of new. Let's start off here. So the spirit armor is back. Let's see what else. I'm just gonna scroll through these quickly because there's a lot, so I'm not gonna say too much. The beach house is also back, and guess what? Pet dodos are here. They're so adorable. In the midst of, oh my god, in the midst of the rivalry between Sabertooth and Direwolf, another extinct animal was overlooked. Pet dodos have also returned to Jamaa. These flightless birds were thought to be extinct, but now they're ready to be adopted by everyone. That's right, all jammers can now adopt their very own pet dodo, which is awesome because now non-members and members can adopt, which is nice because a lot of time all the pets and like animals are members only. Okay, next. Enchanted eagles are here. Enchanted eagles are soaring into the skies of Jamaa. These beautiful birds are patterned with fantastic flowers that leave trails of petals behind them. Become one today to spread a little spring magic through the summer. There's no telling how long these incredible animals will be in Jamaa, so make sure to become one today. So that's pretty awesome. So I believe now there's 4 animals with like special patterns. Like I haven't been playing for so long. Like maybe a year or 2. So I don't know if there has been more, but I know there's been Spring Bunny, Polar Arctic Fox, Polar Arctic Wolf, now there's Enchanted Eagles, which is pretty fun. And cool. Sleepover buddies. While you're spending the summer at sleepovers, don't forget to bring your Animal Jam pillow pet. There are foxes, lynx, and bunnies. They all come with a code for a matching in-game item. These adorable pals are available at the official Animal Jam Amazon store. So get yours today. And no, this video is not sponsored. Okay, next. Retail gift card bonus. The Falcon bundle comes with a Falcon and a set of exclusive den items. You can get it for free when you redeem any Animal Jam retail gift card. Okay, next. We don't want no advertisements. Okay, next. Summer Carnival. The Summer Carnival is still going strong. Have you checked out all the special prizes it has to offer? Which, guys, really nothing has changed. They haven't really added anything. But this is probably one of the coolest updates ever. Beta Party. Take a step back in time to the days of the Animal Jam beta testing. The Beta Party is back! Oh, yes. That is awesome. Now, let's show you. I'm going to show you. As you see, I have some beta items in my den. I have some beta fence. And I have some beta, what would you call them? Here, let's search. Beta Mirror Banner. Now, I know these aren't really real betas. They just say beta. Okay, so the next update is the Mushroom Hut is back. And that then has been out of stores for like a really long time. Like, I don't even remember how long. Okay, next is the Mystery of the Statue. Jamaa's alphas have begun an investigation within the Temple of the Ancients. They seem to believe that there is something strange about the Arctic Wolf statue wearing ancient armor. Could there still be mysteries lurking within the temple? Lisa and Sir Gilbert are the first on the scene, but together the alphas hope to find an answer. That's actually pretty awesome because like they might come out with another extinct animal, you know. Okay. Now this is the newest update, but it's pretty cool. Wild Weekend Jamalidays in July. How are you feeling low and need some cheer? For 1 week only, the Jamalidays are here. The Jamaliday Jam has opened its doors, so be sure to check out new items in store. Gather around, grab your buddies, and above all, don't delay. This week won't last long, so don't let it get away. So that's pretty awesome. I have already actually decorated a den. I just decorated before I started filming. Here, it's not. It's this one, I believe. Oh, yes. Now, oh, my bad. These are all items from the new party that they're hosting. All of these are new items, except for this, right? Except for the fireplace. But the rest of these are all new items. So I got my den Jamalidade app. But let's get back to the den we were in. Just wanted to show you guys that. It's pretty cool. Okay, next, guys, we have what should we talk about? Well, there's one thing that I have been wanting for a long time. I have achieved over 300,000 gems. Before, I had always, like, no gems. But I have just been saving up without using my gems, and, it's built to this. I also have 129 diamonds, which is usually more than I ever have. I know it's not a lot, but, like, to me, it's the most I've ever had, really. Okay, let's see. How about we just go to some place? Oh, you know what? No. So, for the past few weeks, I've been collecting the Rare Item Mondays. 3 weeks... No, wait. 4 weeks ago, it was a rare squid hat. Last week it was rare sunshine galoshes. This week it was rare rainbow wrist guards, which is pretty cool. I know they had all different colors, but I'm pretty sure they did away with them. I don't know why, because they were cool. And if they, oh no, they didn't. See, there's all of them are there's all colors, but then this is the rare, so it's cool. And then, I don't know who would do this though, guys. Somebody traded me this for like 1 piece of Jamalidate armor. Which is pretty stupid, like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, you could just buy it yourself instead of giving away a spike. But anyways, I guess that's just, you know, how they roll. But, let's just go, around, show you guys what's new. Let's see. First of all, let's go into here. There's not really much new besides what I told you in the updates. Oh, that's new. That's cool. I'm pretty sure they released it a long time ago, but it went away. That's cool. See, there's not a lot of... Most of the stuff is still the same, or like there's less. Here, let's see. What else? Nothing really new. I mean, there's some new dens and everything, but oh, okay, not new diamond dens. Let me rephrase that. Like I told you, there is new pets, and then and the enchanted eagle. Here, let's see what else. Like it just got like completely boring. Like not gonna lie. Let's see. Well, I mean, I didn't really know what to say, you know, guys, so I think I'm about to wrap it up. But I would like you guys to comment in the comment section below what kind of videos you would like to see, and if you want me to add on to any of my videos. But I think I'm going to wrap it up here, so please make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment sections below. Bye!